Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I would like to talk about the dative prepositions. In one of my videos before, I explained the prepositions, they work with dative, and here I used the color blue. The dative prepositions will use the color orange, like always in my course for beginners. And this is what we are focusing today. If you want to see my whole course for beginners and how I use colors and images to show you the language, please feel free to click the first link down in the description. So like I said, we have in German preposition, they always use accusative. And here are those prepositions. But we also have prepositions that use just dative, and these are the prepositions. But like always in German, it's getting even more interesting because we have two-way prepositions. And these prepositions, they could use accusative or dative. It depends on the situation. But today we will focus on the dative prepositions. Now we will see for every preposition one example with an image. So let's get started. The first one is up, from. And here's our example sentence. Arbeitet ab 1. Januar. He works from 1st January. So just a little comment to the colors I use. Okay, the orange color is obviously for the dative case. So ab 1. Januar. It's a nominative, so therefore in green. And the background of our image is red because the verb arbeiten uses here additional e, so it's a kind of irregular. So those are the colors. Let's see the next preposition. Aus, from or out of. Sometimes it's hard to translate a preposition with just one single word because sometimes the use in a different language is a little bit different. So let's see here our sentence. Kommt aus der Schweiz. He comes from the Switzerland. Actually in German, Switzerland has an article. So aus der Schweiz. Here our background color is green because kommen is just regular. Außer, except for, besides. Alle feiern außer ihm. Oh. All celebrate except for him. So außer ihm, dative. No, it works also for pronouns. Bei, at or near. Sitzt bei ihr. He sits near her. No, bei ihr, no, ihr, it's a dative pronoun. Okay. Next one. Gegenüber, opposite, across from. Sitzt ihr gegenüber. He sits across from her. Interestingly, here the preposition goes after the word. So be careful and remember, sitzt ihr gegenüber. Okay? Mit, with or by. Telefoniert mit ihr. He talks on the phone with her. So mit, quite important preposition and always with dative. Nach, after or to. Ist nach einer Stunde fertig. He is after an hour ready. So nach always with dative as well. Seit, since or for. Arbeitet seit einer Woche. He works for a week. No? Seit einer Woche, dative. Von, from or by. Hört von der Frau. Here he hears from the woman. Von der Frau, dative. Zu, to or at. Geht zum Bahnhof. Or geht zu dem Bahnhof. Normally we contract this and we just say zum. So he goes to the train station. Yeah. And these are the dative prepositions, and here you have them all with an example and an image. So just try to memorize those sentences, and you will see that in the everyday life, these examples will help you a lot to use always with these prepositions the dative case. That's all for now, and I really hope that you enjoyed my video, and I'm looking forward to see you again in one of my next videos. Thank you very much, and bye bye.